Sup, bro? Look at this canal view. It's amazing. Should we post this?
Yeah, let's show off our Amsterdam spot.
Perfect. Caption, living the dream. Love it.
Yo, Elsa, we're 3 minutes from the Bluebird. You picking up that weird Bluebird Cipher again? Looks like it's pulsing every time we hit a Wi-Fi hotspot.
It's active. Same 2 circles pattern. Not hostile. Bet it's some rich dude hoarding the good 420 hash. Fuck that.
What? 2 circles? Holy shit, going to the Bluebird now. This is the life!
Totally! Best idea ever. Woo, let's go faster!
Race you to the bridge!
You're on! This view is incredible.
Yeah, beats the hotel.
Totally. So peaceful.
We should take a walk later.
Yes, let's go now. Okay, I'm in. Look, a bridge.
Let's go.
Yo, Laura to the Bluebird. Some weird shit is going down.
I'm liking it already. Weird is interesting.
Yo, just got off the phone with young Einstein.
Young Einstein, what's the genius up to now?
He's hip for 420, says it's gonna be cosmic.
Cosmic? We're ready.
This walk is so nice. Bluebird is just ahead.
Yeah, perfect timing for coffee.
And their pastries. I can't wait. Let's get that table by the water.
Sounds good.
Hey everyone, welcome to Bluebird.
Whoa, this place is legendary.
Yeah, I'm on best vibes in Amsterdam.
Check out that sign over there.
Awesome. To Bluebird.
Cheers. Welcome to Bluebird. Feeling the vibe?
Yeah, man, the vibes are high.
Glad you're enjoying it. We've got the best selection.
The haze is perfect today.
Always. Enjoy your stay.
So, where's the back room?
Let's go ask. You guys go ahead.
Your group is in the back?
Awesome, thanks.
Cool. Let's go.
Enjoy.
Thanks to the info. And my crew is in the back? Yes. Let's go. Right behind you. Hey everyone, welcome to Bluebird.
Hey, good to see you.
You too, enjoying the vibe?
Yeah, it's great. What's new?
Check out the new menu on the board. Enjoy your evening.
This place is great.
Totally. Smells amazing.
Welcome back. The usual?
You know it. And one for my friend.
This data looks great. Ready to push the update?
Yeah, I'm on it. Just need to fix this one bug. Sounds good. I'll check the logs.
Hey, check this out.
Yeah, I see it. Good catch. Looks solid. Let's use it.
Great, on it.
All right, fam, hit me. What's this cipher saying now?
First layer decoded easy. It's a 420 time gate. But it keeps flashing 2 circles and a windmill emoji. Not malware. Feels
Whoa,
personal.
that's deep. Personal how? Like someone who knows your skate routes, Einstein?
You think you're so smart. Back off.
Just saying, it's a pattern.
All right, fam, lots to think about. Let's finish this joint and disappear.
Got it, we'll keep in touch. Tomorrow's 420, that's in about 6 hours.
Woo! This is the vibe.
Yeah, feel the rhythm.
You look amazing out there. Let's dance all night.
Second layer cracked. The cipher's dropping old 2009 router coordinates near the windmills. And look, it's signed with a tiny family crest. That look familiar?
Einstein, from your stories? That's exactly. We need to move.
Wait, that's my uncle's old logo. The one he used for his first coffee shop back in the day.
No way, that's so cool. Tell me more.
He was ahead of his time. He used it on everything back when he was first wiring up his shops. Haven't seen that in years.
Exactly. The next packet is locked behind a physical bypass. Old school router, probably still running on 2009 firmware. We're gonna need boots up from the ground to send the signal close. No remote hack, it's air gapped on purpose.
So it's not a heist, it's an invitation? An invitation to what?
Sounds like trouble.
The kind trouble, the best kind of hevare.
All right, let's see it.
Exactly. But we still gotta earn it. Next layer needs a physical bypass at the old windmill router. Someone's gotta get close enough to plug in or spoof the MAC address on site.
Classic Rudy move. Make them work for the handshake. I'll run the signal sniffer from here. Freya, you want to ride shotgun on the digital side with me?
Yeah, I'm in. Let's do it. Hell yes. Shoulders touching, late night code flirting, my favorite kind of bass. Ooh, a hot merge conflict. You two are on fire. Always.
You guys are ridiculous. But yeah, this feels like him testing us. The crest only shows up for family or people he trusts. If we crack the physical layer, the next piece should drop clean.
Only if you promise not to distract me with those hands again. Last thing we need is me short-circuiting because you're playing balance beam.
This tour looks perfect for tomorrow,
Right?
and it's not too expensive.
Sounds good. What time does it start?
10 a.m. We should get coffee first.
I'm in.
hell of the babe? This makes no sense.
Whoa, this setup is fire. What's the project?
Just syncing the new data pipeline. Check this out.
The visuals are popping. Let's deploy. Yes, this is next level. Great work, team.
Teamwork. Is everyone here? It's 2 a.m. already.
Hey, this code is hilarious. You have to see it. Yeah, screw debugging. Let's celebrate.
All right, I'm in. What's the plan?
Pizza and Red Bull dance party.
Check the logs. The pattern's accelerating.
I see it, cross-referencing the nodes.
Good. Overlay the map now.
Okay, the data flow looks solid now. Good. Let me check the logs. Look at the error spike there. Ah, I see. I'll adjust the threshold. Perfect. That should do it.
Okay, everyone is here. Fire up one. Let's get to work.
You got it, boss. Firing up. Let's do this.
All right, monitor the feeds. Let's roll.
This script is finally syncing.
Nice. The data flow looks clean. Yeah, but watch the ports. Almost there.
So it's like a combination lock that only opens when the stars align, or in this case, when the circles kiss.
How long until the next overlap?
We just need to keep the system stable. 43 seconds. And it looks like the rotation speed is increasing. Uncle Rudy always loved making things harder the closer you got.
I'm running a pattern of elogist. They're shifting between Old Dutch maritime symbols and binary. Feels personal. Personal? The man turned encryption into a love letter. Respect. But if we don't crack this before 420, I'm eating the rest of these waffles and calling night.
There, fragment coming through. The first circle remembers the smoke. The second circle waits under the blue bird. That's the second half.
It could be a key. Smoke, that's the old coffee shop. Bluebird was his nickname for the new location he was scouting before he disappeared, not where we hang out. He used to say the Bluebird sings at 4:20 a.m. So we're chasing smoke and birds now. Romantic. You want to try syncing the circles manually this time?
Only if you promise not to distract me with that accent at that instant when the overlap hits. 3, 2, 1.
Yo, Paris, Nikki, y'all getting all of this at your stations? Yeah, we're locked in.
Every word.
No sweat, boss. It's about 2:46 a.m. Trip back is about 10 minutes by board.
When the circles become one,
Come home.
the party starts when the clock forgets the hour.
That's it. That's the invite.
The party starts now.
He's such a dramatic bastard. That's definitely an invite. But the timing window is shrinking fast. We've got maybe one more clean shot before it locks us out for good.
Then let's not waste it. Freya, kill the lights on the backup generator. I need less glare. Matthew, keep her steady. Laura?
Generator going dark in 3, 2.
You got this. Just like the half pipe, eyes on the line, trust the drop.
Shut up and let me hack your uncle's heart, pretty boy.
Almost there. The circles are aligned.
The haze is perfect. Keep going.
There, the circles kiss. Watch this.
Oh, full plane ticks. We cracked it.
Fuck yeah. Light up another one. 2 circles, one for the old shop, one for the new. Grand opening, 420. Uncle Oyster Party.
He didn't lose his mind. He's throwing the biggest surprise party ever and wanted us to earn the invite the only way we know how.
Cheers.
Cheers, everyone. Cheers to the code and the haze. This spot is killer today. Yeah, let's hit that neon puddle.
I'm so ready for this. Just try to keep up.
Woo! Let's go.
Ready? Let's roll. Born ready. This spot is fire, right? Check that Pac-Man tag. Epic. Let's hit the end. You got it. Stay tight, always. Woo! Ready to shred? Born ready? Let's hit the ramp.
Whoa! Yeah! Slow!
I hear they got some good shit. Woo! You kids passed the test. Nephew, Uncle Al, what's the big idea? The big idea is we're gonna rule this skate park. With your brains and my beard? Unsightly. Let's roll. After you, genius. It's 4:20. Come on, I'll show you around and you guys can help me set up. Welcome to the grand opening. Let's celebrate 420 style. This place looks amazing, right?
Yeah, and the deals are great.
Keep it airy, everybody.
Welcome to IREI. What can I get for you?
Hey, what's good for a first timer?
Our Moroccan gold is super smooth. Here, take a look.
Nice, I'll take it. Thanks.
Great choice.
This place is buzzing tonight, huh? Yeah, the energy is great. Love the vibe.
The coffee is amazing. We should come back.
Definitely. And the art on the walls is so cool. Cheers to that.
Whoa, that racing game is lit. Look at those graphics.
Totally. The fighter's combo system is next level.
Sure you get yes!
Nailed it.
Let's go another round. I'm in. Let's team up. Hey, nice run. Thanks. Espresso, please. I'll have one too. You got it. Coming right up.
Welcome. Come on in. The party's just getting started. Right this way.
Happy 420. This haze is everything. Totally. The smoke is so thick. Right? Amsterdam vibes are lit. Cheers to that. To the high life.
This haze is perfect.
Right? These joints hit different. To good vibes and recharge. Cheers to that. Let's puff. This place is wild, right? Totally. Love the shirt. Thanks. Yours too. Cheers to that.
This haze is perfect for 420 dawn vibes. Totally, the smoke's dancing with the light.
Pass it here. I need that Amsterdam magic.
Here you go. To good friends and great smoke.
Hey, this place is lit tonight.
Yeah, the deals are killer.
For real, these space cakes are calling my name. Grab one before they're gone. These deals are insane. Yeah, the space cakes are amazing. I'm definitely getting some. This is how you celebrate. Check out these space cakes. Who's in? Nothing like a good smoke to start the day. 420 forever, am I right? This place is lit.
Yeah, the smoke is thick.
Perfect for 420. Cheers to that. You know, some offers are just too good to refuse. And with me, once is never enough. So what do you say we make it twice? It's only fair.
Whoa, nice combo. Yeah, take that. Pass the lighter. This haze is thick, man. Perfect for 420. Dodge this.
You see, everything is connected. Life, death, coffee, and smoke, all part of the same big circle. Right here at Two Circles, we embrace it all.
All right, crew, T-minus 12 minutes to mission success. Yeah, man, these snacks are out of this world. The haze is strong. Earth vibes are optimal. Keep calm and probe on, everyone.
This is some good stuff.
Yeah, pass the bong. Here you go. Don't bogart it.
Save some for me.
Chips are kicking in.
Totally.
This is some stellar green.
The vibe is perfect.
Totally. Here, try this new bud. Thanks, man. This launch is going to be legendary. The countdown is on. Let's keep it lit. Ah, this is the good stuff. Straight from the nebula. Totally. But we got to watch for patrols. They're getting wise.
Yeah, but tonight is for us. Pass the munchies.
Right on. Probes can wait. Let's just stay off the radar. Sup, bro? Hey, not much. Just out for a walk. Yeah, same here. Nice day. Totally. We should grab a coffee. Sounds good.